What if I told you some SUVs out there refuse to die? Like that one uncle who still uses a Nokia and somehow outlives every smartphone. We're talking 200K, 300K, even 500,000 miles. No drama, no breakdowns, just vibes and oil changes. Today we're counting down 10 SUVs that basically said, warranty, never heard of her. Let's get into it. At number 10, the Subaru Forester, specifically 2014 and newer. Now yeah, older Subarus had that head gasket phase. We don't talk about that era, but Subaru fixed it. Modern Foresters are like that friend who went to therapy and came back stable. The Boxer engine sits low, reduces vibration, and just quietly does its job. Add in Subaru's all-wheel drive that grips like it owes you money, and you've got a daily driver that just keeps going, and going, and going. Number 9. Honda Pilot 2016-2022. This thing is the definition of boring but brilliant. A 3.5 LV6 that's barely trying half the time. It's like bringing a bodybuilder to carry groceries. The engine is underworked, which is exactly why it lasts forever. Plus, Honda shares parts across models like it's a family WhatsApp group. Cheap, available, and easy to fix anywhere. Number 8. Acura RDX 2013-2018. This one's a sleeper. While newer RDX models got fancy and slightly complicated, this generation kept it simple. V6 engine, 6-speed automatic, no drama. It's luxury without the why is my repair bill the same as rent energy. Just change the timing belt on time and this thing will stick with you longer than your gym membership ever did. Number 7, Honda CR-V 2012-2022. Ah yes, the car people buy and then forget to replace for 15 years. Oh, the older 2.4L engine is basically immortal. Mechanics love it because it's simple. Owners love it because it never complains. The hybrid version? Even smarter. Fewer moving parts, less wear, and brake pads that last so long you'll forget brakes are even a thing. CR-V owners don't sell their cars. They pass them down like family heirlooms. Number 6, Mazda CX-5. This is where things get interesting. While everyone else went turbo this and CVT that, Mazda said, nah, we're good. Naturally aspirated engine, traditional automatic transmission, simple, reliable, and shockingly fun to drive. Plus the interior feels like it accidentally walked in from a luxury brand meeting. Reliability and vibes, rare combo. Number 5, Toyota Highlander, 2014 present. The ultimate family tank. Toyota basically said, let's build one SUV using parts we already know never fail. And it worked. The hybrid version is especially ridiculous. 300K miles? No problem. Great fuel economy? Also, yes, it's like having a minivan, but cooler and less embarrassing at school pickup. Number 4, Lexus RX, 2010-2022. This is the gold standard of it just works. While other luxury SUVs start throwing tantrums after 100K miles, the RX is still chilling, asking for nothing but oil changes and maybe new tires. It's the anti-stress SUV. You don't own it. It takes care of you. Number 3, Toyota Sequoia, 2008-2022. Now we're getting serious. This thing is built like it expects a zombie apocalypse. It shares bones with the Tundra pickup, which means everything is overbuilt. That 5.7 LV8, legendary. People have pushed it past 1 million miles. Not a typo, 1 million. This SUV doesn't age. It just gets stronger. Number 2, Lexus GX460 2010-2023. This is the ultimate undercover legend. Looks like a luxury mall crawler, but underneath, it's basically a global off-road warrior. Built for deserts, jungles, and places where Google Maps just gives up. Simple V8, proven transmission, and fewer electronics than you'd expect. It's luxury, but with survival mode activated. And finally, number 1, the Toyota 4Runner. Of course it is. This thing has been around so long, it probably remembers your childhood. Toyota didn't redesign it every 5 minutes. They perfected it. 4.0 LV6, 5-speed automatic, body-on-frame construction. It's not trying to be fancy, it's trying to outlive you. And honestly, it probably will. No giant screens to glitch, no complicated systems to fail. Just solid old-school engineering. And mechanics call it boring. Owners call it perfect. So here's the deal. Buy smart, maintain it properly, and some of these SUVs will literally outlast your interest in upgrading. Because sometimes the best car is the one that never gives you a reason to replace it. And honestly, that's the real flex.